Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to copy links of all opened tabs from Safari. Okay, for this open the Safari application. Okay, and after that tap on the tab icon on the bottom right side. Tap on this one. Now here you can see all the tabs that you opened in your Safari, right? And after that you can see 5 tabs. Here you can see the menu button. Tap on this one. Now press and hold this option. 5 tabs, press and hold. Tap on copy links. Now tap on the option edit. Here you can see, tap on this one. Now tap on the 3 dots here at the right side of this 5 tabs. Tap on the option copy links. Yeah, simply in this way you can you can copy the links of all opened tabs from Safari. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.